Health benefits of eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and contains compounds like allicin, which are known for their immune-boosting properties. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach may help strengthen your immune system, making it more resilient against infections and illnesses. Before we talk about garlic benefits, please subscribe, share and like the videos to get more health and wellness videos. Garlic has been linked to improved heart health. It may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the formation of blood clots. Garlic can stimulate digestion by increasing the production of gastric juices. Eating it on an empty stomach may aid in better digestion and alleviate certain digestive issues. There is some evidence to suggest that garlic consumption may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancer. However, more research is needed in this area. Garlic is believed to have detoxifying properties, which can help cleanse your body by promoting the elimination of toxins. This may be more effective when consumed on an empty stomach. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help combat various infections and illnesses. Consuming it on an empty stomach may allow these properties to work more effectively in your system. It's important to remember that while garlic has many potential health benefits, consuming it raw on an empty stomach may not be suitable for everyone. If you decide to try this practice, start with a small amount and monitor how your body responds. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, heartburn, or allergic reactions to raw garlic. If you're considering incorporating raw garlic into your diet for its potential health benefits, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Bye. Thanks for watching.